We all know that Philippines is a country consists of beautiful islands and surrounded with different bodies of water. The reason why too many residential and commercial establishments are constructed near coastal areas. The reason why we DAIKIN wants to capture this unique project concept. And how are we going to capture this? Let's take a look first on the following problems that we encounter with this kind of application. Effects of prolonged exposure of our outer units to the sea breeze is the rusting of our metal casing, which shortens the product lifespan, and also the corrosion of our heat exchanger that affects the cooling performance of our VRV products. All sum up is, we also increase our maintenance costs. So in the previous years, DAIKIN introduced to you our anti-corrosion treated E model for coastal applications. And now, looking for the other way around, we create and design a most improved model. So I'm proud to introduce to you our heavy anti-corrosion or our W model for our XNA series. So this model is specially designed and developed to create a big impact on the market, and as well as difference from our competitors. So as you can see, a new brown metallic casing designs are introduced. So what this W model offers to us? For our outdoor unit location, for our E model, the unit can be installed in the atmosphere of seaweed, but not on the location where the seaweed directly blows the unit. But for our W model, the unit can be installed in the location where the seaweed directly blows the unit, but not on the location where the seawater directly contacts the unit. For our sheet metal casing, from two-layer coating of our E model, we modify it and increase into 5-layer coating for our W model, and plus an additional 3-layer coating for our inner casing, which makes our sheet metal casing to be 6 times more durable than other competitors. For our heat exchanger, from a 2-layer coating of our surface, aluminum thin surface, we increase it up to 3-layer coating, which makes our heat exchanger to be 4 times more durable than competitors. Also, due to the paint material of our W model, heat exchange efficiency tends to decrease. So that's why in order to compensate this effect, we'll also increase the aluminum fin thickness to maintain the heat exchange efficiency of our VRV product. For our electric box, from the 2-layer coating, we add additional epoxy-based coating in order to improve its corrosion resistance. And for our pressure vessel, from a single layer of rust-proof coating, we add additional layer of rust-proof coating as an additional rust-proof protection. And for our electronic circuit board, which is the most sensitive part of our VRV outer unit, from the 10% coating area, our E model, we expand it up to 50% coating area for our W model, making it more corrosive resistance against salt formation. And next is another innovation of DAIKIN VRV, which provides more comfortable environment with less vibration and less noise. And I'm proud to present to you our OASIS or our OK brand vibration, absorption and silent installation system. So basically, OASIS is an isolated coil spring with rubber type vibration absorption base. So this one is intended for our VRV outer unit only. And why this vibration absorption base is necessary? So without vibration absorption base, the vibration of our outer unit are transmitted to the building and released as noise to the individual tenant rooms, which makes the environment more uncomfortable because of the noise. But with vibration absorption base, the vibration transmitted from our outer unit is decreased up to 90%, meaning to say, less vibration, less noise. So what this OASIS offers to us? We are using an optimum spring for our VRV installation. Second one is that the packaging is compact and easy to transfer to site. And the installation is easy, so no need for bolts and nuts. And the vibration is decreased up to 90%. And the stand is highly weather resistant and rust proof. So here are the sample packaging and the assembly of our OASIS. And here is the sample installation together with our VRV units. So these innovations of DAIKIN VRV not only provides extreme durability and quietness, but we also maintain the performance where the VRV DAIKIN is well known to its competitors. So for the years to come, expect from us more innovations as the future of air conditioning solutions and as the world's #1. Thank you.